Narayan. Now today we are going to find adjoint of a matrix. What adjoint of a matrix? For that we want to know transpose of matrix. If you forgotten, then just I will show you what is transpose of a matrix. Then first, suppose this is our matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then what is the transpose of it? If I will write transpose, means I can denote by A transpose or A dash. Then what will happen? Here all rows are converted into column, means 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8 and 3, 6, 9. Again, first row becomes first column, second row becomes second column and third row becomes third column. In transpose of matrix, if matrix is square, then there is no problem. But suppose if it is like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9. Even though here, if you want to write transpose of a matrix or this, then rows are converted into column and column are converted into rows. Here, this matrix is called, 3 rows are there, then this is called 3 by 2 matrix. And if I will convert this into transpose of a matrix, then row is converted into column. First row becomes first column, second row becomes second column and third row becomes third column. So transpose of matrix is now 2 by 3. Means transpose means row is converted into column. Same way, if I will write like this, A is equal to 1, 4, 9. Then transpose of this is 1, 4, 9. Okay. This is required in finding a adjoint. So I have just done. So for if now we are going on adjoint of a matrix. Adjoint of a matrix, keep in mind it is little bit different. First, suppose your matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4. Second, if it is 3 by 3, then it is 1, minus 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, minus 2, 0, 1. Then how to find adjoint of a matrix? So first, you have to aware that A, here A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is our matrix. But if I want to convert this matrix into the adjoint of a matrix, then it will be like this. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. This and this is totally different. This is our element of matrix and this is our cofactor of this element. A11 is cofactor of A11, A12 is cofactor of A12, A13 is cofactor of A13, A23 is cofactor of A23. Same way it will be like this. Then how to find cofactor? Here 2 by 2 it is easier, but we are familiar with 3 by 3. So first how to find out, that I will show you. To find cofactor, first you have to find minor. After finding minor, convert into cofactor. Then you take transpose. Then it will be your which matrix you are going to get, that is your adjoint of A. Okay? Now, first I am going to find minor, then cofactor I am going to convert into cofactor and then transpose. First minor. Okay, so 1 minus 1 and 2, 2, 3, 5, minus 2, 0 and 1. First I will find minor. See, if you are going to find minor, how to? 1, then this is 3 minus 0 means it is 3. Minus 1, 2 plus 10, 12. For these two, 0 minus minus 6 means 6. For these two, means this row and this column is gone, minus 1. Then for 3, 1 ones are 1, minus minus plus 4. So this is 5. For this 5, 0, minus 2. Minus 2, minus 5, minus 6, minus 11, 0, 5, minus 4, 1 and 1, 3, minus minus 2 means 5. This is our minor. Now we are aware that now I am going to convert into cofactor, means I am multiplying by plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, means I am multiplying by minus 1 into I plus j. So it is 1 plus 1, so plus 1, minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1, so minus 1, it is like that. Now I will write this matrix 3 minus 12, 6 minus minus plus 1, 5, 2 minus 11, minus 1 and 5. Now this is, now we are taking transpose. So now which matrix I am going to get? This is adjoint of this. So I can write like this: 3, 1, minus 1, minus 12, 5, minus 1, 6, 2, 5. Okay. Now this is a adjoint of this. Now 3, 12, 6, minus 1, 5, minus 2 and minus 11, 1 and 5 are the minors of those. Then what I have done? Minus 1 raised to I plus j, I am multiplied by that. So signs are changed. That I have written here, and then I have done transpose of that matrix. So that is our adjoint of a matrix. If they have asked this only, then it's okay. But if they have asked find A inverse, what? Find A inverse. Then formula method is 1 upon determinant value of A into adjoint of A. So if they have asked find only adjoint, then you have to finish over here. But if they have asked to find A inverse, then you have to still continue, and then what you have to find now? Determinant value of A. Here A inverse only you can find out when determinant value of A should not be 0. So first we are going to check determinant value of A means 1 into minus minus plus 1 into plus 2 into 3 minus, so that is 3, 12 and 6. So this is 3 plus 12 plus 12, so that is 27, which is not equal to 0. Okay. Now, so your A inverse is equal to 1 upon 27 into adjoint of A. That is what? 3, 1, minus 11, minus 12, 5, minus 1, 6, 2, 5. This is your answer. Again, first adjoint, then you have to first, if you want to find adjoint, then first you have to find minor, then convert into cofactor, then take transpose. This is your adjoint of A, and which is there? That is your adjoint of A. And if you have to find A inverse, then you have to find determinant value. This is nothing but determinant value. Okay, this is not modulus. Determinant value means expansion of determinant. Okay, this is your 3 by 3. Okay, now we will see another example. This is our another example. So first I will write question A is equal to 2, 1, 3, 4, minus 1, 0, minus 7, 2, 1. Then they say find A inverse. Then, first of all, you have to find determinant value of that. That is 2 minus 1 plus 3. Minus 1 minus 0. 4 minus 0. 8 minus 7. So this is minus 2 minus 4 plus 3. So answer is minus 3, which is not equal to 0. Now, for adjoint, first you are going to find minor. Okay, now 2, 1, 3, 4, minus 1, 0, minus 7, 2 and 1. Now 2. This is minus 1 minus 0. So that is minus 1. For 1, 4 minus 0. So that is your 4. 3, 6 minus 7. No, 4 to the 8. 8 minus 7. That is 1. Now, for these 4, 1 minus 6 minus 5. For this minus 1, 2 minus 21 means it is 23. For this 0, 4 plus 7 means 11. Now minus 7, 0 minus 3 means 3. For 2, 0 minus 12. 1 minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. This is your minor, and if you want cofactor, then multiply by plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. So your cofactor are like this. Minus 1, you have to multiply, don't change directly. Then if you take, this is cofactor matrix. Now adjoint means transpose of this. So your adjoint of A is nothing but root to column minus 1, 5, 3, minus 4, 23, 12, 1, minus 11, 6. And your A inverse is 1 upon determinant value of A into adjoint of A. Determinant value is minus 3 and your adjoint is minus 1, minus 4, 1, 5, 23, minus 11, 3, 12 and minus 6. Okay, now final answer is 1 by 3 minus 5 by 3 minus 1, 4 by 3, 23 by 3 minus 4, minus 1 by 3, 11 by 3 and 2. That is your A inverse. Okay. Okay. Now this is A inverse.